Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin Bless and today we'll be looking at the IGCSE ICT paper 2 past paper. So in our last video, we looked at document production. In today's video, we'll be looking at data manipulation, which is database. Okay, and that is task 3. Okay, so question 19, we are supposed to open this table, this file, J2122.csv file. So I just have to open my resource folder. I create a new database. I put ICT as a data. Now this new database, I have to import a file. So I go under import and links. I click text file. I need to browse. It's on the desktop. That's my resource folder. Okay. Okay. Next. I check this box. Next. Select my primary key as race number. Next. Finish. Close. Okay, you want to open this table and you go to your design view to modify the fields. So all the number fields should have a format of an integer. The date and time should have hour, minute, and the second. So number should be an integer. Should be the format should be long time. Format long time. The format long time. The format we import the second table. Categories. Check this box. Say your primary key card code. Go to your design view and make sure everything is okay. Text. Okay. We import this file. Outcome. Next, check this box. Next, primary key start codes. Next, finish. Close. Outcome. Design view. Text. Text boolean slash logic. Display yes or no. So I need to change this to yes or no. And make sure that your format you have here, yes or no. To change it, you can select from here. Okay. Next, take evidence to show the primary key, field name, and data type of the three table. So for my first table, I'm gonna reduce this one a bit so that all the fields can show first name, last name. Save this as 10. Second table, save it as 11, a desktop. Third table, save it as 12 on the desktop. Okay, now they are supposed to be evidence 5. So I move to my evidence folder. Evidence 5. I need to insert the pictures. Insert pictures, the desktop. 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. So I have primary key, field name, field name, field name, data type. Okay, so I save that. The next question, I'm to create a relationship between the three tables. Take a screenshot and save it as evidence 6. So I just have to close these tables, close all tables. To create a relationship, you click on database tool, click on the relationship, select your three tables, you add. Now I'll carry the primary key and I put it on my foreign key and I enforce referential integrity. I have my one and many relationship, primary key, foreign key, make sure cat codes, enforce referential integrity. So I just put this to show my one and many relationship. Take a screen capture of this. Save as 13. So evidence 6. Need to insert my image 13. Okay. Next question. Enter the following detail as a new record. Need one long table. So I open this table. Hopefully I want to save my relationship. Open this table to add a new record. Just go under record to click new. The first name in. Question to be 53. 53. Okay, so I have to save this record. Okay. Save record. Question 22. Using fields from all tables, produce a tabular report. Just have to close this. Save changes. Yes. To create tabular report, since we need to select some need to do some querying. So we start by creating a query, and then we now use a query to create our report. So to create my query, I click on create query design. Oh, sorry, I don't want that. Create query design. We have to use all tables. Now, which fields are supposed to appear on a query? Race number, first name, last name, nationality. In that order, race number, first name, last name, nationality. Nationality, race category, statute, and rank. Race category, statute, and rank. Okay, so if I run this, we have all of this report, all of this record. So now I have 1,134 record. Move back to my design view. We're asked to select the record where the race category is Elite Pro. Copy. Under race category, Elite Pro. So everything under race category should be Elite Pro. If you have any other thing, then there's a problem already. So I now boil down to 94 records. Now they say the start code does not include fin. Start load does not include fin. So under start code, we don't have start code. So I just add the start code field and you write not like fin. Not like fin. So when I look at the start code, I should not see fin. Okay, I now have 28 records. Now remember, we're not asked to display the start code, so I go back to my design view and I uncheck the show. So when I run, I should not have the start code. Okay, so I'm done with this. Now we have to sort this sort the data into ascending order of statute. Okay, after creating my query, I just need to save query one, and I use this query to create a report. So I use report wizard, use query one, and I select all the fields under query one. Next, next, next. So the statute. Run in descending order. The statute should be in descending order. Next, tabular portrait or portrait and tabular. Next, finish. So this is our report. This is our report. Okay. Now we're asked to make sure that it fits on a single page. So I need to go to my layout view. To go to the layout view, right click, take layout view. Now by default, The statue will be the first field because it is being sorted. So I need to put it back in its rightful position. So I need to adjust this. So I select all statue. To do that, click here, hold your shift key, you click to select every record on that statue. Reduce the size of the statue field. Just carry, you put somewhere here. I need to make all my data visible. Rearrange my field, making sure every data is visible. Race number, first name, last name, nationality. Race number, first name, last name, nationality, race, category, statue. Race category. Statue. Ranked. Then preview. Okay, now appear on a single page. I just have one page. Next, I need to add a page title. Include only the text, non-ranking edits. Copy as a title to display in larger font on top of the page. So I do that in the layout view. Change that. Increase the font size to format. Maybe 28. As your name, center number, candidate number, and the report. So I move to my design view. I delete everything that's in the footer because we're not asked to see the page number and the ranking. So I need to add my name, center number, candidate number. So on that design, you select label, click in the footer, you type your name, Kevin, Bless, comma, center number 0000, comma, candidate number 1234. I go back to my print preview. Have your name, your center number, and your candidate number. So you save your report and you print. Make sure your center number, candidate number, and your name appear on the report. So I have my name, my center number, and my candidate number. That's in my report. You save, then you send it to the printer for printing. So after printing, if you discover there's any error on your report, you can modify and you print again. Okay. Not printing because my device is not connected to a printer. So you're done with that question in question 23. Using fields from these two tables, create a table, produce a tabular report. Excuse me. So I just close this. Need to create a query. Query design. I need this table and this table. I don't need the outcome table. Okay, I need the following field: first name, last name, nationality, gender, year of birth. first name, last name, nationality, gender, year of birth. We need address age, but we don't have a field called address age. That's why we say contain a new field called address age, which is calculated at the runtime. So we need to create the calculated field. So I'll just reserve a space for that field. Will be here. After address age, I need run one, T1, byte one, and so on. I need run one, T1, byte one, C2, run two, so run two, total time and position. Total time and position. Okay, if I run this, I have all of these records, 1,134 records. Okay, now they say we should select the record from where nationality is this. So I just copy under my nationality field where I have my criteria, nationality, and I test to make sure it's correct. So under nationality, I should have just the two GBR or IRL. So GBR, IRL, that one is correct. Now I have 157 records. The next criteria, the gender should be male. Gender should be male. So this gender should be male. I now have 97 record. And the year of birth should be between 1982 and 2001 inclusive. So go back to my design, year of birth. So I'm saying that it should be greater than or equals to 1982. And it should be less than or equals to 2001. So before 1992 to 2001, I now have 42 records. Okay, the next thing we ask to the report should contain a calculated field called address age, which is 2001 minus the year of birth. So to create a calculated field, first of all, save your query. You click on the column where you want to insert the field. You move to under design where you have query setup. You click on builder. Now you want to take 2021 minus the year of birth. Okay, so where you have expression one, replace it with name of the field, address age. When you run, we now have our address age here. Okay, the next thing we want to do is to create our field, our reports. This, and it should be sorted in ascending order of nationality and descending order of position. So I save my query, create my query report wizard, select all the fields under query 2, next, ascending order of nationality, so ascending order of nationality, descending order of position, descending order of position, next, page orientation landscape, page orientation landscape, next, and finish. Okay, so now that's our report. Now we need to fit on a single page wide. So we need to readjust the column to make sure that everything fits on a single page wide. And we also need to rearrange so that it follows this order: first name, last name, and so on. For now, the first column is nationality, the second is position, because we sorted these two columns. That's why they appear as the first. So we need to move them. So to adjust the columns, I click on the layout view. I'll just start by reducing all, resizing the boxes. Start by resizing the boxes. Nationality should be the third column. There's this one here. The first name be my first column. Last name should be the second column. Being positioned this way. Nationality. I have first name, last name, nationality. First name, last name, nationality. My gender. Year of birth, address, age. Year of birth. Address, age. And one C1 bike. And one. C1. Bike. C2 on two total. C2. And so total time and position. Total time and position. Okay, that's our print preview. Now fit on one page wide. Next question includes senior UK male results. Then layout. Format. Text size 26. Okay, bigger font. Next, calculate the total number of outlets and place it at the end of the report. Total number of outlets and place at the end of the report. Back to layout view. I have count records. Gives me a total of 42. Has a label, outlet's name. To create a label, we move to the design view where we have count. Just want to shift count in front. And create a new label, design, label. That label should have that. Okay. Number of outlet equals to report view of number of outlets equals to 42. That's good. Display your name, your candidate number, and center number appears in the footer in the same position. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. Okay, so this is our footer. So now we have an automated date and time. We have automated page number on the footer, so we have to reduce that, to remove that, sorry. Go to the design view where you have the footer section. You want to remove this box, so remove that box. Now you need to insert a label. A label should be your name, Kevin Bless, your candidate number, your center number 1234, candidate number 1234. Should appear so that it appears in the same position on every page. Okay, move back to print preview. Name, candidate number, and center number. Name, candidate number, and center number. Okay, my turn number at least. So just put comma to differentiate the three. Name, comma, candidate number, comma, center number. Save. Print preview. Okay. Save and print your report. Save and print your report. To do that, you save, print. Make sure you're printing all pages, and you send it to the printer. Okay. The next question, export the report created in step 23. In portable document format, save the expected file in your work area with the file name senior. So I need to export data to PDF. Should be senior. Make sure file type, select PDF, publish. Yes, that's our report. Have all of this. Name, candidate center. So we are good to go. Place in your evidence log a screenshot to show how the exported file saved in your work area. My work area, take a screenshot of the senior, new, senior PDF file. I save as picture 14. You're saving that under evidence 6. Evidence 6. Under evidence 7. Now this one is evidence 8. So I seem to have missed evidence 7. Insert picture 14. So I have my senior PDF file. So evidence 7. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of athletes. So I move to my design view. I need to capture this formula. New, save, 15. So evidence 7, set picture 15. Okay, so that's that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you find this video interesting, just leave me a like. If you have any question, just write it as a comment and I'll be ready to answer your query. The way to subscribe on my channel for more videos. In our next part, we'll be looking at mail merge and data and presentation.